Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to take you through the steps of how to make this Ninja Creami Strawberry Smoothie Bowl. It's naturally gluten-free and it's going to be made in your Ninja Creami machine. So if you grab that, we will get the ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. This can be either vanilla or plain. 2 cups of thinly sliced strawberries, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 1/4 cup of milk. You can use a non-dairy milk too, such as oat milk or almond milk. So the first thing you're going to do is grab that creamy pint. Then you're going to add yogurt on the bottom, top it with strawberries and honey, and fill it up to the max fill line with milk. So I'm getting that done here, and you'll see the max fill line on your creamy pint as well. So once that's done, you'll go ahead and cover the ingredients there, cover with the lid, and you're going to freeze this in a freezer for 24 hours, and it needs to be on an even surface so you don't want it to move or shift at all. Once that's done, the next day, you'll go ahead and secure the pint into the outer bowl, and then secure the lid and get it all ready to go on your smoothie machine. You're going to use the mixing paddle and select the Smoothie Bowl setting. So I have got that all mixed and ready to go. And then if you see that it isn't mixed well enough for your liking, you'll go ahead and rerun it or respin it again on the Smoothie Bowl setting. So once it's all done, you can go ahead and serve that right away with additional honey, more strawberries or almonds if you want. You could also go ahead and freeze it until you're ready to eat it as well. So this is how you make a Ninja Creami Strawberry Smoothie Bowl. It's ready to go in minutes. The longest part will be the freezing time. So you can find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure and like and subscribe so that you don't miss the